Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Resta Desladina. You can call me Resta. With student ID number is 1212020212. Majoring in Islamic Religious Education. Here, I will explain some points about the film Ayat-Ayat Cinta. First, the main and supporting actors or figures of the Ayat-Ayat Cinta. Fedi Nuril as Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq, Rianti Cartwright as Aisyah, Karissa Putri as Mariza Kirgiz, Melanie Putri as Nurul Azkia, Zaskia Adia Meka as Naura Bahadur, Marini as Madam Nahed, Surya Saputra as Paman Iqbal, Rudi Wawor as Tuan Adel, Feni Bauti as istri Tuan Adel, Miki Wijaya as Ummu Fati, Leroy Osmani as Amru, Oka Antara as Syaiful, Dennis Adiswara as Rudi, Andreas Sullivan as Hamdi, Selen Fernandez as Bahadur, Haji Mokhtar Sum as Syekh Usman, Hajah Endang as Ustazah Maimunah, Sito Resmi Prabuningrat as Ibu Fahri, Budi Ros as Ayah Fahri, Sinta as Adik Fahri, Aldo Bamar as Syekh Ahmad, Ahmad Setiadi as Ustadz Jalal. Second, the characters of main and supporting actors or figures of the Ayat-Ayat Cinta movie. Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq, student who are completing their master's studies at the oldest university in the world, Al-Azhar, and unpretentious young man who holds fast to his principle of life and honor. Smart and sympathetic to make some girls fall in love, faced with interesting surprises at the choice of his heart. And then Aisyah Greymas, a valid foreign student of German and Turkish descent, intelligent, beautiful and rich. His family's twisting background brought him together with Fahri. And then Maria Kirgiz, non-Muslim girl who fell in love with Islam. He loved Fahri very much, but his love is only expressed through his diary, which then makes him suffer because of that love. And then Naura Bahadur, torture has become a part of his life. The fetus she was carrying made her obsessed with Fahri to become the father of her future baby. And the last, Nurul Azkia binti Ja'far Abdur Razak, Kiai's daughters, grew up in East Java with a calming aura, intelligence, and quality that unite all her strengths. She is very confident to propose to Fahri as her husband. Third, the story of the movie of Ayat-Ayat Cinta. I will retell the movie of Ayat-Ayat Cinta. A love story with a religious background, especially Islam, in life. Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq, or Fedi Nuril, is an Indonesian student trying to get his master's degree at Al-Azhar. He had to struggle with his various dreams and the simplicity of life in Egypt. He survived by becoming a translator of religious books. Fahri lived all of his dreams with enthusiasm except for one, getting married. Fahri is an obedient man who is so strict. He did no courtship before marriage. He is less articulate when dealing with women. There were only a few women who were close to him during this time: his grandmother, his mother, and his sister. Moving to Egypt changed that. There is Maria Kirgis or Karissa Putri, neighbors of the same flat who are Coptic Christians but admire to Quran and admire Fahri. Admiration turned into love, and unfortunately, Maria's love is only poured out in the theory. Then there is Nurul or Melanie Putri, the girl of a famous Kiai who is also studying at Al-Azhar. Actually, Fahri put his heart on this sweet girl. It's a shame that his sense of inferiority is that he is only a descendant of a farmer. So he never shows any feeling for Nurul. Meanwhile, Nurul becomes doubtful and always guesses. After that, there is Noura Bahadur or Zaskia Adia Mecca, also a neighbor who is always tortured by her own father. Fahri fully empathizes with Noura and want to help her. Too bad it's just empathy, no more. But Noura expects more, and later it becomes a big problem when Noura accuses Fahri of raping her. Finally, Aisyah, Orianti Cartwright, appears, the beautiful eyes that bewitch Fahri. Since an incident in the metro, when Fahri defended Islam from accusations of being conservative and rigid, Aisyah fell in love with Fahri, and Fahri also could not lie to his heart. Fourth, the movie of Ayat Cinta has been published premiere on February 28, 2008. Fifth, the play director or writer tell the story of Ayat Cinta as the Islamic dimension and relation with the Islamic condition in the area. Habibur Rahman's motivation in writing is the people that economic need will be fulfilled. Another hope of Habibur Rahman in writing this novel is dakwah. Habibur Rahman hopes that the novel is one of the media for dakwah to students and literature in particular and readers in general. 6. The advantage thing on the life after watching the movie of Ayat Cinta is 1. Or first, let's not be arrogant and always assume that we are the most right because we don't know what God's intentions is behind it all. Second, many people have narrow views and make religion only as a tool for their own or their group's interest, even though one of the functions of the religion is to provide a need for peace of mind and our mind. not just a symbol to be opposite. In this film, religion is separately seen from the perspective of religion. Rahmatan lil alamin, making prosperity to all nature. And maybe you will still remember that all religions are originate from one source. This relates to entrepreneurs named seeker and patient. There are some of us who think that all success in business or business is so our greatness, as if everything depends on us. So we forget who created the universe. Maybe we are successful in offside or fail today, but we don't know what intention 1, 2, 4 or decades later. Even if we have not succeeded, apart from trying, we are also required to be patient and patience. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.